Hey guys, welcome to BestSub.tv. I'm Katrina. Today I want to show you guys our new sublimation doormats. I got several collections here available in different styles. They all have the common feature of being safe and non-slip, especially suitable for the houses with elderly people and children. Each collection has different features. This one comes with rubber tray and felt insert, and you can replace the insert easily and ensure new clean doormat all year round. The last is ultra soft and super absorbent, fast drying flannel. It is perfect for your bedroom. The last is made of non-woven fabric with a rubber bottom. It has different sizes and suitable for different locations. They are made with durable and comfort materials with large printable areas to personalize. It can be applied in many places, front door, bedroom, or an entrance. Doormat can keep room clean and decorate your house. Spring is coming, so we designed a doormat with a variety of flowers. You can also customize the doormats to match the overall tail of your house. And next, I will show you how to build them. If you are curious about the final result, keep watching.